Cooking chips at home can be simple and delicious. Follow these 5 steps to make crispy homemade chips. First, prepare the potatoes by selecting fresh ones. Wash them thoroughly, then peel if desired. Slice them into even thin strips to ensure uniform cooking. Next, soak the potatoes by placing the sliced potatoes in a bowl of cold water for at least 30 minutes. This removes excess starch and helps the chips become crispier. After soaking, dry the potatoes by draining the water and patting the slices dry with a clean kitchen towel or paper towels to remove moisture. Then, fry the chips by heating oil in a deep frying pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius and frying the potato slices in batches until golden brown, about 4 to 5 minutes. Finally, season and serve by removing the chips with a slotted spoon, draining on paper towels, and while still hot, sprinkling with salt. Enjoy your crispy homemade chips.